The first time I got a universal remote, I thought, this changes everything. Alright, what's up, Flock and Model Railroaders? Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to my new subscribers, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. This is a unboxing, and a special thank you to Jac Jac. This was from his garage sale over Labor Day weekend. So let's hit the bench. Alright, I've covered up the names of the innocent, and I've already pre-opened the box, but I haven't looked in too far just yet. So let's take a look together. So it's a scale train and a bunch of packing material. Okay, so it's a scaletrains.com. It's an HO scale. It is a BNSF covered hopper. And this is the operator. Let's see if we can get it out of the box here. Take a look. It's upside down in the box, so we'll fix that too. Oh, this is awesome. Wow. It's massive. Oops. Alright, so it's a 3-bay hopper, BNSF. Has metal wheels and the KD couplers. Cool metal roof. Nothing too crazy on the bottom. Everything looks good on this side. Oh, we got a little bit of ladder damage over here, but I'll fix that at some point. But hey, beggars can't be choosers either. So thank you, Jac Jac. This is freaking awesome. So if you're not subscribed to Jac Jac, which who's not subscribed to Jac Jac? Make sure you are and join his live streams. Participate in the chats and contests. He has another contest that's coming up as well, and a bunch of other things too. I won't get into that. I'll let him explain. But everybody, thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you at the next stop.